Everybody, I've got this item from Poundland and I'm giving it a makeover, and I've completely forgotten to show you what it looked like before I started spray painting it. So I was halfway through and I realized, and I decided, okay, I need to stop and film. So you can see the color was really strong. It was a really strong teal color. So it was obviously way too bright for me, and I'm just going to give this a spring makeover. This is going to be a Rae Dunn inspired piece, so it's my first ever Rae Dunn sort of makeover, and I'm really excited to do it because they actually do have a birdhouse in their range. So let's go and get started with the makeover. So of course I've started spray painting this white, and I'm just going to go over it again and make sure that everything is covered. While this is outside here drying, I'm going to get my items for the rest of the project, and I'm also going to be creating a farmhouse look for this birdhouse. So my birdhouse is all covered in white now, and I'm just going to go in with some burlap and measure the roof. Now the roof is all done, I'm going to break it up a little bit with some lace. I was going to add some either up here or just a strip here, but I'm kind of liking it just being on one side, so I think I will leave it at that. Next I'm going in with some silky doves, and I absolutely love this. Some curly white moss from Hobbycrafts, and I'm just going to add a little bit to the corner with some hot glue. I just felt like it needed something there, and I think it just complements it. Got this lovely bird from Hobbycraft, and I'm going to put it on the side and corner of the birdhouse. Because I want to use this for another project, I'm not going to hot glue it, but I've added two small double-sided tape. That will make it secure enough but not ruin the birdhouse when I want to remove it. Final step, I'm going to write fly in the Rae Dunn style, and I'm going to do that with a pencil in light and then go over it with some black marker. Okay, we're doing it guys, we're doing it. Here it goes. Here is the finished project guys. I love this one, I really do. I think it's just come out really perfect. I like the combination of like the farmhouse and the minimal sort of clean look, and it's also very natural because of the curly moss that I added, and then the Rae Dunn inspired fun, I'm really loving that. I personally think it's a lot better after the makeover compared to the first Poundland bird's house I brought. Let me know if you guys have enjoyed this just as much as I have. If you have, please do give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think of this style, and if you prefer the before or the after. Unfortunately, a lot of you that actually watch my videos aren't subscribed to my channel, so please do think about sticking around and hitting that subscribe button. Well, that's it guys, see you in the next DIY.